Welcome to this video. We will talk about selections and why we need selection in programming. Selection is one of the important logics in your programming. So you perform certain process when certain conditions are met. So the selection is based on conditions. When the conditions are met, you perform something. When the conditions are not met, you perform something else. And that's called selection. So in Java, there are two types of selections. One is using if statement. So if a condition met, you do something. If not met, you do something else. And usually the structures if, then bracket, then your condition. And then brace, you close the brace, else, brace, and you close the brace, and this way you have the structures. In the first two braces you have there, you will have the process that you will perform when the condition is met. On the other one, in the two other braces, you will have your process that you will perform if the condition is not met. So when the condition is met, we call it true. True, met. Not met is false. So what are some of the conditions? Simple condition, if your age above 60, then you get something. If it's not above 60, you get something else. Okay? If your ID equal to this ID, H001111, whatever, then the system will go and find your information displayed in the screen. Otherwise, it will say, oh, this ID is wrong. I don't have the ID. For example, like that. So you have equal and not equal, greater than or less than, greater than or equal, less than or equal. So this is a way to compare two values. And usually you have two parameters or two values you compare. You compare ID with the value, name with the value, length with the value, something. So you compare the two together. And that's one condition. Sometimes in life there are more conditions. It's not only one condition. So in that case, if you have another condition, you need to use AND. And notice there are two ANDs. Yeah, not only one AND. One AND will not work in Java. It works in other languages. But in Java, C#, C, it will not work. So you need to AND. So if the first condition is met and the second condition is met, then you perform what you need to perform. And require both of them. Give you an example. If your name is Ahmed and your age is 25, stand up. Only those who will have both, their name is Ahmed and they are their age is 25, they will stand up. The rest, if you have only your age 5, you do not stand up because your name is not Ahmed. If your name is Ahmed but your age is less than 25, you will not stand up because you're not meeting both conditions. So the AND require the two conditions to be met. The other one you expect is OR. OR means one of it. If your name is Ahmed or your age is 25, stand up. We'll have more people standing up because if you meet age 25 and or Ahmed, you will stand up. So there's so many people. So OR give you more results than and restrict. Both condition has to be met. In the lab, we will see more examples, and we will understand it much better than just me talking to you and showing you those illustrations. You will see it by coding, but you will not get it unless you practice it. Anything in your life. If you do not practice, you do not get it. Our brain is made that way. It learns and develops and improves when you do more, when you practice more. If you do not practice, there's no way you will get it just like that. Maybe you will understand it, fine, and many of you will understand it. But after some time when you come to practice it, you will not be able to practice it. It reminds me with football, there's so many people talk about this team is not doing well, they should have did that, they have did this, and this player is not doing well. But if you get in the field and play, you will not be able to play. Because easy you talk about it, you know the concept, but you're not really practicing it. You will get it when you start playing football more and more. So the application of knowledge is very important. That's what will make it strong and give you the outcome. Thank you for watching, and I hope you enjoy the video.